Hello friends, welcome to the Shrakshit channel. In today's video, we are going to see rich gourd recipes and lady's finger fry. And for lunch plate, here I have prepared lady's finger fry, rich gourd sambar and rich gourd skin chutney and with some fried rice. Before moving into a video, if you are watching my channel for the first time, click subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And first here I have kept some white rice and it's boiling. In meanwhile I have chopped the lady's finger for the lady's finger fry, and here I am going to dry roast some ingredients required for the lady's finger fry. Place an iron kadai and add about 2 tablespoons of chana dal and dry roast it on a medium flame for about 3 minutes until it turns the golden brown. Once it turns golden brown, transfer into a plate. On the other hand, I am soaking the chana dal for the rich gourd chana dal gravy. I have taken half a cup of chana dal and 2 tablespoons of tur dal. Tur dal is additionally optional. If you want, you can take a whole amount of chana dal. Wash it 2 to 3 times and let it soak. On the other hand, chana dal has been roasted well. Here I am adding 1/4 cup of urad dal and let it dry roast. Once it is dry roasted, transfer them into a plate and add 5 to 10 cashews. It's additionally optional. If you add cashews, it gives a rich taste to the lady's finger fry. And transfer into a plate and let it cool. In meanwhile, into a kadai, add 3 to 4 spoons of oil and add chopped lady's finger and saute it well for about 5 to 10 minutes until the gel consistency removes from it. In meanwhile, I am going to chop the onions and tomatoes required for the rich gourd gravy. Don't throw out the rich gourd skin. With the help of rich gourd skin, today I am going to prepare some chutney. Collect all the rich gourd skin into a bowl. And add 1 spoon of salt and half a spoon of turmeric so the pesticides or any bacteria or sand present in the rich gourd will be removed. Soak in the water for about 3 to 4 minutes. And chop the rich gourd for the gravy. Here my rice is done. I am going to drain out the water and place the pressure cooker and add soaked dal into the pressure cooker and chop the vegetables. On the other side, I am sorting the lady's finger. And here I am adding 2 spoons of red chilli powder, 1/4 spoon of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of coriander and required amount of salt. You can increase or decrease the spiciness and salt according to your taste. And I am adding salt to the lady's finger fry also. And add about 200 ml of water and mix it well and cover with the lid and let it pressure under for 4 whistles on a medium flame. On the other side, lady's finger is completely fried and the gelness is removed. At this stage, add 1 spoon of red chilli powder and 1/4 spoon of turmeric and mix it well and keep your flame on low. Once all the dry roasted ingredients are completely cooled, add into a blender and grind into a coarse powder in this way. And add the grounded powder into the kadai and mix it well. And here is our ladies finger fry is ready. Transfer into an serving bowl. Try out this recipe guys, and it's really tasty and yummy. And here for Richgard skin chutney, here I have taken 1 onion, 1 tomato, and I have cleaned the Richgard skin for 4 to 5 times under running tap water. And place a kadai, add about 4 spoons of oil and allow oil to heat. And once oil gets heated, add about 1/4 cup of urad dal. Instead of urad dal, you can even add the groundnuts and saute it well for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, add the Richgard skin and fry it well for about 5 minutes until the Richgard skin shrinks up. And add 2 red chilies. You can increase the quantity of red chilies according to your taste and saute it well. Once Richgard skin reaches this stage, you can see the shrinkage of the skin, and add tomatoes and onions and saute it well until the onions becomes mushy consistency. If you want, you can even add salt so that it cooks soon. Once tomatoes become mushy consistency, transfer into a plate and allow it to cool. Into a same kadai, add about 3 spoons of oil and 1 spoon of cumin, mustard and curry leaves and saute it well, and add the crushed garlic and 1/4 spoon of asafoetida or hing. And this tempering is for the Richgard gravy. Once the ingredients are completely cool, transfer into a blender and make into a fine paste in this way and transfer into an serving bowl. If you want, you can add tadka by adding 1 spoon of oil, mustard and urad dal and some curry leaves. Here I'm going to serve like that only. In meanwhile, pressure is released, and take a ladle and press it gently. Let it become little bit mushy and add the tamarind water and keep your flame on low and let it boil for 3 minutes. And now transfer the tempered ingredients into the pressure cooker and let it cook for about 1 minute. And our Richgard chana dal gravy is ready, and it goes well with white rice and chapati and puri. And here is our lunch plate: rice, Richgard chana dal gravy, lady's finger fry and Richgard skin chutney. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day. If you like, give big thumbs up and leave your comments in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.